wonder where Kyle is. Maybe he caught a disease and died. That'd be so awesome. Dude, that's not funny. You shouldn't joke about that. Who's joking?
You guys, I have awesome news.
You have AIDS?
No, this Saturday for my birthday, my mom says she's taking me to Casa Bonita in Denver, and I get to invite 3 friends.
This Saturday, awesome! Casa Bonita, food and fun and a festive atmosphere, Casa Bonita.
Who said I'm inviting you?
Your mom said you could take 3 friends.
Yes, 3 friends. You're not my friend. I'm gonna take Butters. He invited me to his birthday party last month, so I owe him one.
Butters? You're gonna take that butthole? Why?
Because Butters isn't a total dick to me.
I have never been a dick to you.
Oh, please. All you ever do is call me names and rip on me for being Jewish.
Kyle, when have I ever ripped on you for being a Jew? Oh yeah, well you're a stupid Jew.
You're a Jew.
Shut your goddamn Jew mouth. Good job, Jew. Shut Jew. You're Jewish.
Dude, he's Jewish.
Jew. Okay, except maybe for that one time.
You've always been a dick to me, Carmen, and I'm not inviting you.
Well, fuck you, Kyle! I hope you die! I hope you fucking die!
I'm not inviting you, Carmen. You can't go.
No! Casa Bonita, no! God damn it, I have to get invited to go!